Hello and welcome to another unboxing video. Today I will be unboxing the Coffee in Paris card kit from Paper Rose Studio. This whole kit comes in a lovely plastic zippered pouch to keep all the contents neat and organized. It comes with a 6x6 pad of patterned paper, four sheets of embossed die cuts, and it's hard to tell on the video, but the die cuts have glossy elements to them. Ten brown envelopes, an inspiration booklet that also lists all of the contents, a sheet of cut apart sentiments, 10 A5 white card bases, and 6 different cut apart sheets, and there's 3 of each different design. That concludes this unboxing video. Keep an eye out for a video featuring the cards made using this kit. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.